Please keep in mind we are on a boat. Boats are always in motion, and sometimes that motion comes unexpectedly. We are subject to wakes from other boats, so anytime you're moving around the vessel, it is a good idea to use the handrails, especially when you're going up and down the stairs. Also today, it's a good chance that we're going to get rained on again. So whenever it rains, those decks get slippery, so it's extra important to make sure that you use those handrails, especially going up and down those stairs. Just please remember that those handrails, they are for hands only. So no sitting, standing, climbing, no leaning over, no other acrobatics like that on the handrails. Please not jump from the waves or swing from the handrails, and absolutely no standing on the bench seats either. It's also a good idea to keep all of your body parts inside the vessel at all times. Now, if you would like to smoke, you are welcome to smoke on the back deck downstairs behind the main cabin. You will see ashtrays there in the smoking section. We do ask if you have a vape or e-cigarettes, and please keep that in the smoking section as well. Also bear in mind, we are federally mandated. That means the state medical cards do not work on this boat. The only thing the federal government allows on board would be nicotine-based products, so nicotine vapes, nicotine cigarettes, etc. Everything else must remain on the dock. And if you do smoke, please make sure these are ashtrays. We're going to be in a very beautiful, but also very protected marine sanctuary, so absolutely nothing should go over the sides of the boat. Please make sure to use the ashtrays as well as the trash cans provided on both levels. Now it is pretty hot here in the Florida Keys. Today's a little bit cooler than it has been, but it's still expected to get over 100 degrees on the heat index. That main cabin downstairs is air conditioned, but the only way that air conditioner works is if the doors are closed. So while we encourage you to explore the boat once we do get underway, we're going to ask you to keep those support air conditioners in mind. Anytime you go through the door, don't hold it open any longer than necessary, and always take the extra moment to make sure the door is fully closed and the metal handle is manually latched back in place behind you. That way we can keep the AC inside. These doors are incredibly badly designed. If you just let the door close on its own, the handle will stop it from closing, and that small crack will let all of the air conditioning outside. So we do have to take that extra minute just to make sure the door is fully closed behind you, just to make sure that AC stays inside. Now we've got some jet skis to get on the dock. Afterwards, we'll be getting underway. Right now, I'd like to ask everyone to please find a seat and remain seated until we're safely out in the Key West Harbor. Now, once we're on the harbor, we'll get back on the PA system and let you know when it is safe to move out the boat. Thank you for joining us today on the Private Key West.